we have the lovely, the amazing, the knowledgeable Saman Movassaghi Gonzalez back with us at ISF. Welcome back.
Thank you for having me.
Looking beautiful. I love how your dress is matching the chair. It's just perfect.
It was intentional.
Well, speaking of intentionality, you are just that when it comes to immigration law. Of course, our trusted advisor. But today we get to break down, as we always do, another great topic. So we're talking about the application process.
Yes.
When it comes to immigration benefits, it's a lengthy one, it's a detailed one, and it's not necessarily an easy one. And so you come in saying that case analysis is so vital to the process and that it helps a lot with accuracy. Tell us a little bit about what this case analysis looks like and why it's so important.
Right. You don't know what you don't know.
Yeah.
And a lot of times when somebody comes to us, they don't know what they don't know. They come to us with trying to find a solution. And we want to be as thorough as possible in getting their background. Mm-hmm. And every question has always mattered when it comes to immigration. And if they've been in a previous process, or they filled out an application before, or they've had an encounter with law enforcement, we need to pull those documents and review them just like the government would. And that comes part of our case analysis, is getting a deep dive and investigating who the person is, their entire personal background, immigration background, travel background, everything about them to provide the proper solution for them.
You mentioned those little points there. Is that the information that's involved in this?
Absolutely. Okay. We run FBI background checks. We pull their government immigration documents. If they applied for a visa, we pull those documents. We run their fingerprints on a biometric check. If there's criminal encounters, we pull those documents. We really do a deep dive and a thorough analysis, because you never want to be put in a situation where you're blindsided. Yeah. So this is all of the back-end discovery work that allows us to provide the most reliable and expected benefit at the end of this.
You talk about the back end, the side that you were on, how you're working for your clients, your community, truthfully. Why is it so important to build that case, that custom case strategy for people?
Exactly, because you don't want to be in a situation where you are unfamiliar with who you're helping or representing. Yeah. So you need to make sure that you've done your due diligence, as what we call in the legal world, and this is part of it. And we provide the most thorough and accurate information to the client, and we manage expectations. Yeah. You can do this because we've seen this in your background, or you can't do this because you have this obstacle blocking you, without having to file something and put someone in a bad situation. We examine it before and then give that thorough advice.
It goes back to the knowledge.
Yes.
Always so important.
Yeah.
And so personal too. I love that it's not just, another case.
Exactly.
Another person. It's personal for you.
It really
is. I love it. Well, you guys do so much great work in immigration law and beyond, and are always advocating, always teaching, always educating, and doing so on ISF as well. But where can we follow you outside of just our lovely show here?
Thank you so much. Yeah, definitely. You can catch us on social media. Our handles are immigration_attorney_Saman on TikTok and on Instagram, or on our website at www.us-ilc.com, and our phone number 954-589-1180. We are open 7 days a week.